You see them? They're firing at somebody else.
Mm-hmm.
Let's all fucking fixate on them in here in a sec. Let's push around them. You ready? Are you fucking ready?
I'm not on you guys.
Alright, hold on. You wanna hit that guy? SKS is ready? Oh, pushing. We're getting shot at.
Fuck! I swear I clipped that guy.
Knocked one.
There's one on the other side of the fence. He's over there.
Killed them. They're dead.
Nice.
Still taking rounds.
Yeah, it's from the other ridge.
Got you.
Thank you.
We got a minute and some change. Dude, the Gorza. Holy shit. Sick.
It's a wicked weapon.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm healing.
I'm not wasting my 2 first aids. I'm using 3 bandages.
8x.
Oh. Yes, hook me up with an 8 or a 4x, please.
I'm not taking it.
Unless, what do you have right now?
A 2. Oh.
I've got a 4x on my.
Okay.
What's the other guy have?
I'm gonna take the 4x.
Not much.
This guy had a 4x. I'm taking. You take the 8x.
Okay.
Okay.
Boats and hoes.
What's up, CJ? Dude, we need to.
What up, man?
We need to move. We got 30 seconds. I say we go left and try to get up those trees on the ridge line. What do you think? We gotta go.
Yep. Go.
I'm gonna use that box as cover.
How many more y'all got in your game?
11.
Well, 9.
Okay.
Are you guys full?
Yeah. Well, no, we got 3 right now. We're playing with.
Are you playing in the same game as well, CJ?
No, he's not in.
I just hopped in here too.
So you're the 4th, okay.
Well, he's not in this game.
I just picked up an AWM.
Are you serious? Out of that box? Oh my god! Why did I not check that son of a bitch? Let's push.
Cover me! Don't let me die out here in the open, though.
Oh, I see one. He's AWM inside the sniper tower. Hit him. Fucking kill him.
I'm running. Where?
Knocked him. Dead. Up right here on me. Knocked. He's up at the rock. I'm reloading. He's left
Dead.
side. He's dead.
Dead. He's dead.
Nade.
Straight dead.
Oh! Can we crawl out of the way?
I'm crawling to cover.
I got you covered. Oh, dude, we got circle too. Yeah, 4. Oop, buttstock. Nope. Compensator. Level 3 backpack. Tons of ammo for you guys.
Healing.
Okay. I'm clearing this. There's 2 vehicles inside here and a level 2 vest. What do I have? I have a fucked up level 2. I'm taking it. Let's just stay. Yeah, just stay on the backside.
Mm-hmm.
Down left. Oh,
Yep.
I see him. He's on the
He's got
rocks.
a
You
point
can
now.
hit him. He's running.
What rock?
North. He's fucked out there. I see guys at the houses. 55. Smoke.
Same.
Fuck.
Hit one. He's shooting us from the left.
Fuck.
He's running.
Alright, hey, let me know if you guys need a slot. Talk to you.
Okay.
Let him in.
Healing.
He's at 10. Nice, you killed
He's
him.
down. Smoke, they're running through it. I knocked one.
Nice. They're running up here. Nice. Hey, I'm going around. No grenades. Hey, I'm on
I got
the
one.
rock over here. They're at the fuckboy shack.
Watch the circle. We're not in. They are.
Someone nade the back of that fuckboy shack.
Okay.
I don't have a nade.
I
Made
hit him
out.
twice.
Fuck. He shot my helmet off. Did I knock one?
I fucked him up. Who has a nade? They're trying to.
He's
Right.
running left.
He's knocked. He's knocked.
Put him down.
Good job. There's the last one. Two
Yep.
more. No, 3 more. We got 6 seconds. Knocked
Knocked
him.
one.
Nice. Alright, we gotta move. He's there. Killed him. Oh, you got him. Nice.
Nice.
Oh no, I got him with Gorza.
Woo.
Yes.
Good
Fuck
work,
yeah.
guys.
Fuck yeah. What was it? What'd you guys get kill wise?